So first RBI took down Paytm, then it was IIFL Finance, and now it's GM Financial. And it's an ongoing trend in the market. People are afraid that there will be one more stock that they're holding in their portfolio. But I think I have a theory behind this, why RBI is taking all these measures. First of all, I think it's a very calculated move by RBI. To understand this, let's take a step back. RBI might be taking all these measures to avoid any sort of sudden crash that comes in the market. That can be in the name of a scam, a fraud by all these companies that are doing. But I'm not saying that those are scams, but RBI is trying to avoid if there is any sort of crash that comes because of all these incidents. Now let's take a look at the data that we have in the market. In the last 2 years, Nifty has gone from 15,200 to 22,500. That's 48% rise. Sensex about 51,300 to 74,000. That's about what? 63% rise. And the small cap index 23,500 to 46,500, and that's double, like 100% rise in 2 years, which is phenomenal returns. Now, we also saw SEBI taking measures in asking asset management companies to restrict funds in small and mid-cap schemes. Now, I think all these regulators, governing bodies, they're taking measures to avoid any sort of sudden crash. And that also destroys investor confidence in the market. If you look at the history, like ILFS crash, a lot of these banking crashes, NPA, all these crashes and scams, they destroyed investor confidence, and that affects the overall market. So I think regulators are taking quick measures, and that would be appreciated. Even if we see some more companies getting into these lists of RBI restrictions, that would be good for the market overall, be bad for the company in the short run. But I think we are still in a good place. When RBI takes all these measures, we shouldn't be thinking that there will be a new scam that comes along. The intent is to safeguard retail investors, first of all, from these governing bodies that we are seeing. So yeah, I hope this video helps. And like, if you're an investor in all these 3 companies that I said, please understand, look at their balance sheet and then go about it.